Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Seek Show. I have come up with a new video today which is about the Huawei Nova 3i device. I brought this recently. It's almost 2-3 days. I just want to show you the ergonomically designed this device and what are the features, how I am feeling about this device. Okay, that's what I'm going to show you today. But before that, please remember to subscribe for my channel and click the bell button down there to get the latest video updates, and do comment on the comment section. I will be reply as soon as possible. I will be reply for you, and share this video with your friends. If you like this video, please hit the like button down there. Okay, let's go to the video. Very quick video. Alright, so you can see the Huawei Nova 3i device. You hope you already familiar, but I want to show you in the different angles. So you know that this is the fingerprint sensor is located here, and the dual camera setup, and the flashlight is here. I will show you the aperture 1.2 and 26 dual lens are available in this device, and the volume rocker is available here, and the power button. The thickness of the power button is very high. It's very much durable. It feels like very much durable, and you can see the dual selfie camera setup and the earpiece, and here same as other devices, 3.5 headphone jack, and the USB type C, and noise cancellation mic, and the camera, not the speaker setup here. So the device is somewhat tough and feels great, and ergonomically designed, well placed fingerprint sensor, and here also the antenna and is located here. So if you can buy this Huawei Nova 3i, I can recommend. This is very nice. I have the Irish purple color. You can buy this from black color, and there should be another color. So I brought in this color. This is Irish purple, very nice. You'll see the pattern. So these are the things I just want to show you by taking a little time. I will spend so much time on this device in the near future, and I'll be back with a new video soon, and hope you have enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, share, like and comment. If you have anything to ask, I will be back with a new lesson soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.